Hello, and welcome to the Opioid Workshop number 1. My name is Caroline Webster with the American Medical Association. Today we're going to be going over 5 alternative treatments that we can use in order to prevent prescribing opioid prescriptions to our patients. The first treatment that we can use instead of opioids is massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care. As many as 1 in 4 patients who receive prescription opioids long-term for non-cancer pain in primary care settings struggle with addiction. Every day, more than 1,000 people are treated in the ER for misusing prescription opioids. These safe alternative options, meaning massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care, are great natural remedies for dealing with pain. They aid in the healing process for many issues, including back pain, joint pain, and long-term low-level bodily pain. Another great thing about massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care is that it is something that you can do over a long period of time. Physical therapy and exercise. These are also great alternatives to opioid medications. And again, they can also be done over long periods of time, and exercise especially is recommended that we do it over our whole life. Exercise and physical therapy are very important for those who experience chronic pain. They build our muscles, they create stronger bones, and essentially help our bodies become completely well. Mild, low-impact exercise can greatly improve functionality and mobility while increasing endorphins. Endorphins are the body's natural pain relievers. Exercises such as yoga have proven to relieve chronic back pain, joint pain, arthritis, fibromyalgia, and more. Prescription drugs that numb pain may convince a patient that a musculoskeletal condition is less severe than it is or that it has healed. If that's the case, then if the person or the patient were to perform an exercise or something that may be more strenuous, they may end up re-injuring themselves. So it's best to know what their limitations are by not being on opioid medications. Third, we have acetaminophen and ibuprofen. This is something that can't be used necessarily long-term, but it is something that can be used for more acute pain and is a lot healthier or less addictive than opioid medications. A recent study done by the Journal of the American Dental Association showed that 325 milligrams of acetaminophen taken with 200 milligrams of ibuprofen provided better pain relief than oral opioid drugs. So that's great to know that there is a medication alternative that we can use that isn't necessarily opioids, but gives us the same results. Next, we have serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. These are also known as antidepressants. Antidepressants can be helpful even in situations where depression is not an issue. They can be taken for nerve, muscular, and skeletal pain. These are something that we can't really do long-term, but they're good short-term fixes. And lastly, we have cognitive behavioral therapy. CBT teaches coping mechanisms for pain management by helping patients understand their symptoms, control their thoughts about their own pain, put their focus in other areas, and develop plans to conquer any negative feelings. It can help patients overcome depression or other psychological issues associated with chronic pain. CBT is something that is great for long-term pain, and it is something that helps patients really dive into their symptoms and overcome them. If you would like to leave other suggestions or thoughts or other treatments that can be used instead of opioid medications, feel free to email or contact the AMA, and we will be sure to add those on to this workshop. Thank you, and thank you for your feedback.